What's up everybody, my name is Will and welcome back to another episode of Will on a Whim. Today's video is exactly what I've been wanting to bring you on, just an easy, practical way to make your twist protector styles last longer and stronger, which is also a description of the new Avengers movie. Message. Protector styles are more than just the dookie twist that you wore as a child. No, they're bigger. They're like diarrhea twists. Okay, there goes monetization and all of my followers and my dignity. Point is, when you bundle your hair strands together like a talk and text plan from Verizon, you literally protect your hair strands from breakage. You could have your hair strands out here like lone wolves, or you could stick that metaphorical wolf into a pack. Why is that important? Well, why is it important for Beyonce to keep Solange around when she has Julius? More protection. Twists, in my opinion, are one of the most easy, beautiful protective styles out there. And depending on the technique and the products you use, you can do plump, juicy, or thick. Or you can do tiny, thin, and stick. Yo, bars for days. So in honor of the twist, I'm gonna show you all exactly how I clean, moisturize, and maintain my twist to save me time and energy, and to keep my hair growing long and healthily.
I am disgusted.
When I'm not trying to be bothered to take all my twists down just to put them back in, I do my entire wash day in twists. First, we're gonna take some good old-fashioned shampoo and put it all up in there. Yep, get right on up in there. The key here is to focus on your scalp. Use the pads of your fingers to rub and uplift all of that hater dust that's been accumulating throughout the week right on out of there. Another key thing that I found has really helped me is to let the shampoo sit on your scalp for at least 2 to 3 minutes, give or take, but mostly give, don't play yourself. This gives our old pal Gravity enough time to bring the shampoo down through the base of your twist to access your scalp. If you end up skipping this step, I just feel like it's a big old waste of time and money, which only at this point Sierra could afford, so.
It's going down.
It's going down. You know what you smell like?
What?
Money.
Sierra, this beat is... Can I borrow $5?
I'm broke.
After you've waited for about 2 to 3 minutes, go ahead and just rinse it out. This is where my detachable shower head comes in clutch. Bestows upon me the power to get all of the suds out. Y'all don't know how many times I've hopped my little booty. Okay, big booty. Out of the shower just to realize there's still shampoo in my hair. So don't play yourself, get yourself a detachable shower head or even a mirror. Now because I used a pH balanced shampoo, I'm gonna go ahead and skip the conditioning part. Usually if I'm using a shampoo that isn't pH balanced, I'll go ahead and use its sister conditioner just to go ahead and neutralize that thing, but instead we're gonna fast forward to the deep conditioning. Today I'm gonna be using one of my OG faves from Shea Moisture. It's the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Love it, love it. Might marry it. That's not legal. Is that legal? Here's where you have to be really careful. Do not play yourself. I found that deep conditioner, if it gets in the base of your twist, it's really hard to rinse that away without just undoing your twist. It gets all caught up in there and you can't get it out, and then your scalp is probably itching from all the deep conditioner residue.
His hair is on fire.
So what I do is just focus on the length of my twist versus the scalp. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'll go ahead and rinse that baby out. Moving on to my favorite part, why are my arms like this? Styling. The products that you use will absolutely affect what kind of twist you get. You want plump? You want sleek? You want juicy? Choose your products accordingly. Also, the amount of water that's in your hair before you do twist also really affects this. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna be using 2 of my newest favorite products by FAQS. Garnier, of all people. Like, girl, when did they start making products for me? You know what I mean? But here we are, and the products are bomb. I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner, which is, they call it a smoothie. And on top of that, I'm going to be using it's more of a custard. I think they call it a gel. I'm not even sure. The products are too far for me to read. In addition to these products, I'm also going to be using some water. People are inevitably going to ask what's in my water bottle, but they're also going to ask, where did I get my water bottle from? Rev Air sent me one, but you can get them from Sally Beauty. You can get them from Target. You can get them from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link one down below.
Perfect.
So boom, we have our twists in. They're looking fly, they're looking juicy. How does one maintain this?
You better stop!
I really wish I had a big mustache, like one of those Monopoly Man ones. Oh my God, it would be so dope. Anyway, how do you maintain these twists, right? The way that I do it is real simple. I just don't really touch my twists. Like I will keep them in a bun or a ponytail, and then at nighttime before I go to bed, I'll use a good old satin scarf, and that's pretty much it. The gel that you use, if you even use one, does affect how long your twists are able to stay like frizz-free. The one from FAQS that I use doesn't flake up. It keeps my hair moisturized, which is really important, and my twists are still sleek and flake on like day 6, so I highly recommend it. But that's pretty much it, y'all. That's how I clean, moisturize, and maintain my twist to make sure that, you know, I'm keeping my hair protected, but also moisturized and healthy. Super easy. It's the quickest way to keep up with my own natural hair. And I do think it's played a vital part in keeping my hair from falling off. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And on my second YouTube channel, I've been uploading vlogs, a whole bunch of stuff. So go ahead and follow me at WillOnAWhim more as well. Let me know some of your favorite products to use on TWISTS down below, because I'm always looking for more. And hope to see you all back here real soon for another episode of WillOnAWhim. But until then, bye.
Yak it to the yak. Yak it to that.